Hey everyone, so today we're gonna learn how to post a PDF on WordPress. We post this PDFs on our Google Drive and then we embed a link of that PDF on our WordPress site. This is to save space on our website. So we're gonna learn how to do that. Right, so I'm gonna share my screen. Cool. All right, well, we're gonna go to WordPress. We're logged in and everything, so now we're gonna create a new post. This is your dashboard, and you're gonna see on the left hand side where it says post, you're gonna click add new post, and each post has categories. So this category, it's called new issue, but we have two separate ones for our digital issues and then our print issues. Today I'm gonna publish a print issue, so I'm gonna select the category new print issue. All right, then you can pick your featured image. This is actually the image that shows up on the home page, and if you share a link, this is the image that's gonna show up. So you have to be mindful of certain restrictions of the space that there is. So for example, when you have your image, always click edit and make sure that you keep the same ratio. For these featured image, we always click edit, crop, and we always do 16:9. That is the ratio that we keep for featured images, so that they all look the same. And of course, be sure to put a caption. We put the student's name in the caption. The student's name is Katie Cortez, and she's holding the print issue too, so we made sure to put that on her in the caption and the date when this happened. All right, and then you can go ahead and name your title. You can name it, we for sure want you to put the volume number and the issue number. So this is volume 71, print issue 1. Here you can embed an image from Instagram. This hasn't been posted on Instagram yet, so for now I'm gonna do a post. Just an image block. So click image, and we're gonna upload this from our computer. So yeah, so it's posting, and below here we're gonna embed the PDF so that people can read it online if they can, So let's go to our drive where we have already posted our print issue. It's right here. Click the little three dots, click open with. Actually, don't click open with. Double click the PDF, and then right here on the three dots, open in new window. That's what you're gonna click. So all right, so once opening in a new window, click the three dots again, and now the embed item option shows up. So click the embed item option and click that HTML code. So you can do Ctrl+C, or you can do with your mouse. All right, now we go back to our WordPress site with the HTML code, and here where it says the plus sign, you're gonna look for, you can type in the search box and you're gonna click HTML. So let's paste that HTML code that we copied, and you can hit preview to see how it's gonna look like if you want. And yeah, that's how it shows up. Now here we like to put an explanation. You can do it here, or you can do it as a caption to this photo. So you can put here, the Dateline published its second print issue. of volume 71 during the fall 2023 semester on October 19th. Let's put the 2023. Oh, I don't know what I put up here there. All right, so let's get credits on me. I took that photo. Here you can put the link to you if you select and then link it, you can link the drive article if you want, but you don't have to, but you can, you know. So yeah, that's the code. I am gonna actually embed it just to be safe. Let's go back to where it says share, get link. Yeah. Oh, this is very important. Every time that you upload to your Google Drive, it is a private place. So whenever you post these links, make sure to you select anyone with the link. Otherwise, it's not gonna, people are not gonna be able to view it. Now you can copy the link and you can embed that link into the text by selecting the text that you want to highlight and pasting the link in there. All right, and so now you have the link here, but you also have the embedded item here. The code should be the same for the item. So now we're gonna publish. I'm the author, so put your author. And it's always best search engine optimization practices to include tags in everything that you post. For these, we like to put new issue, student journalism, UHD newspaper, UHD student newspaper. So you have like a mix of specific tags and like general tags. Just things that you think people are gonna type in the engine search engine box, stuff that can encourage people to could encourage the search engine to show up your website as a result. So, and the excerpt is also important. You can say something basic as the caption, basically, you know. That works to me. So let's go back to post. This helps our post be more optimized for search engine. Yeah, that's pretty much it. The issue, all UHD bonus in all UHD. University of Houston downtown buildings. All right, so give everything one last review. New print issue, we have an excerpt, we have a featured image, we have our embedded code, author, and it's good to go. Let's publish. All right, now let's view the post. Cool. So if you make a mistake, you can always hit that edit button and you'll see how to fix it. Like for example, there's a discrepancy here. If you see on the featured image caption, I said 17th, and here I said 19th. Today is actually the 19th, but this event actually happened on the 17th. So yeah, if you make a mistake, go ahead and click that edit button. And then click update. And you can view the post. And this is how it looks like, so it's updated. What I think is gonna happen later is that instead of this image, I'm gonna just embed the Instagram post so that people can interact with us. But yeah, if you make a mistake, remember edit. Remember in Google Drive, before you share something, make sure that when you're sharing and you're getting that link, that anyone with the link has access. If it's restricted, it's not gonna work. If anyone with the link, it works, okay? So yeah. All right, thank you.